this video. Ozhin Nawzad again. I like Ozhin Nawzad, so voice Ozhin very nice. I like, and face Ozhin I like too. Yeah, my teacher. Okay. I'm just kidding. So let's start watching. I know you know this song, but you're Kurdish, like. So let's start watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. So Nawem acoustic. Wow, Ozhin is amazing. Yeah, I like, very like, falling in love with Ozhin. Wow, very handsome. Wow, so sweet. Wow. Pujaan hati. Masya Allah. Wow. Really, I very like with Ozhin. Wow. Masya Allah. Wow. Ozhin Nawem. Wow. In Indonesia say, oh, gemas with Ozhin Nawzad. Very good lah. Voice Ozhin I like so much, you know. Ozhin Nawem. receive Nawem from Ozhin Nawzad, so amazing. I like so much with Ozhin. Who like with Ozhin? Comment. Okay. And thank you so much for your attention. I'm very favorite with Ozhin because voice Ozhin luar biasa, amazing. Don't forget comment, subscribe, like, and share to your friend my video. Okay guys, so don't forget to watch my other video reaction to Kurdistan. Salam from Indonesia. Spas Dikim for visit my YouTube channel and subscribe to and watch my video. Don't forget subscribe. Okay guys, thank you so much. Assalamualaikum.